2020 was a successful year for the Russian Navy. According to the Commander-in-Chief of the Russian Navy, Nikolaev Manov, the Russian Navy in 2020 received about 40 warships, submarines, boats, and superships. On the final days of 2020, December 23rd, the Russian Navy received another warship, the landing ship Pyotr Morgunov. The ceremony was solemnly held at the Baltic Shipyard, Yantar. The Pyotr Morgunov is the second ship of the Ivan Gren class. The contract for the ship's construction was signed in September 2014, and the ship was laid out in June 2015. The ship was launched in May 2018. The Ivan Gren class, the name of Project 11711, is a class of landing ship that is being built for the Russian Navy. The class was to be composed of two vessels, Ivan Gren and Pyotr Morgunov. Since April 2019, Yantar Shipyard has been building two more landing ships of the modified design of Project 11711, Vladimir Andreyev and Vasily Trushin. Compared to the initial Project 11711 design, they will have bigger displacement and will carry several helicopters. Pyotr Morgunov inherits the design of the earlier Project 1171 landing ships. According to Russian classification, these ships are known as large landing ships. Primary mission of the Ivan Gren class ships are amphibious landing operations, capable of delivering soldiers and equipment to ports or to an unprepared coast, as well as providing fire support. It can perform traditional over-the-beach assault. These ships can also be used for logistical transport of military vehicles and cargo. Pyotr Morgunov's appearance is quite different from her predecessor. Modern technologies, materials, and components are used to reduce the ship's radar cross-section to make it more stealthier to radars. However, these amphibious landing ships are not real stealth ships. Pyotr Morgunov has a length of 120 meters, a beam of 16 meters, and a full load displacement of 6,600 tons. Most of the internal volumes of the hull are given for the replacement of the landing force and its equipment. The rear deck is designed with a helipad and a hangar in front of it. The ro-ro ship has a bow to stern through passes for armor. The hull and superstructure are made of steel. The ship has bow doors with internal ram to disembark vehicles to perform the attack across the beach. Also, there is a rear ram which is used by onboard fast landing craft. The ship has a 16-ton crane to load cargo. The Russian military amphibious ship is equipped with two diesel engines, developing 5,000 horsepower each. Movement and maneuverability are provided by a pair of propellers and a bow thruster. The ship is capable of a speed of 80 knots and has a cruising range of up to 3,500 nautical miles at 60 knots. The endurance time at sea without resupply is 30 days, and the crew comprises 100 men. As a large landing ship, the Pyotr Morgunov is designed for amphibious operations on hostile territory, hardware and equipment transportation. In peacetime, she participates in humanitarian activities. The ship can carry 13 tanks, or 36 armored personnel carriers. The marine strength is 300 to 380 men. The ships can carry 1,500 tons of cargo instead of landing force. Equipment or other cargo is fed into the hull through a hatch in the upper deck or under its own power around the bow and stern rams. Disembarkation is carried out only through the rams. It can carry 1 or 2 Ka-29 helicopters or Ka-52K. Also, Pyotr Morgunov has a total of 2 or 3 landing craft. To support the landing, there is a set of barrel weapons. It includes a pair of 30mm AK-630 mounts in the aft superstructure and one twin AK-630M2 for firing into the front hemisphere. There are several machine gun installations. Electronic weapons include systems of various types that provide surface and air surveillance, as well as the use of standard weapons. All of these weapons can be used against land, surface, and air targets, as well as for close-range defense against incoming anti-ship missiles. Also, there are 2 14.5mm heavy machine guns. To enhance self-defense, the ship is equipped with a decoy countermissile system. This system reduces the chance of being hit by enemy missiles. The first 2 ships of Project 11711 were put into service with the Northern Fleet. It is easy to see that the arrival of the new Pyotr Morgunov will significantly improve the capabilities of the landing forces of the Northern Fleet. In addition, the Northern Fleet's landing ships can be actively used in the deployment and supply of remote bases, including in the Arctic. This will either increase overall traffic volume or reduce the load on older ships. My video of Pyotr Morgunov 117 ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.